If you're into tweaking your computer, MSI Afterburner is one of the best programs that we can use out there. Now, if we navigate through voltage, we could see or edit out the core voltage for our setup. But in some other cases, this will be blanked out, grayed out, or enabling us to edit it according to our will. Basically, to proceed, you want to find this specific setting icon. It's going to be gear icon. This is going to be totally different for different interfaces out there, but in my case, just click on the gear icon, which will then take us to the settings of MSI Afterburner. Inside this page, click the compatibility properties and simply scroll down and look for the unlock voltage control. You want to make sure to check the voltage control and the voltage monitoring. And then from here, I'll then select the standard MSI just to be safe. And then of course, you want to click apply and OK. Now, it will then restart your MSI Afterburner, so it might close it out eventually or completely. So you want to open up the MSI Afterburner again. And from there, we'll be able to edit out our core voltage as you can see right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.